Hey guys, crypto episode 70. Another good week this week, despite sort of Bitcoin not doing a huge amount, but 15,000 up. Not bad. Just quick look at the graph. So, sort of been fairly steadily up, really. Can't complain. Quite a lot of news this week. FTSE Russell have sort of entered the space launching indexes and sort of benchmarking tools and that sort of thing on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. So, teamed up with Digital Asset Research, and they're sort of looking for institutions to be able to compare sort of portfolios and integrate price information. I watched a video on this by Real Vision, which I'll put a link to either in the description and a pinned comment. Really sort of interesting, a woman from FTSE Russell sort of discussing, making different portfolios. She sort of mentions you could have the Russell 1000 growth index plus 5% Bitcoin. So, them even sort of talking about these sort of allocations and portfolios and products, I think is hugely positive for the space, really. I think S&P, they mentioned S&P, Dow Jones have sort of already been doing this. But yeah, so I have sort of FTSE Russell as well. Pretty good. Going more global. Other news, Australia, I didn't realise have become sort of fairly crypto bullish. So they launched a company-based ETF, which is sort of your ETF investing in the miners, Coinbase, MicroStrategy, and that sort of thing. A lot of these have sort of already come out in America and elsewhere. But the sort of previous ETF record for a daily volume in Australia was $5.8 million. And they broke that in 15 minutes and ended up doing 31 million on the day. So that's pretty good. Pent up demand for crypto in Australia. And they sort of go on to say a spot Bitcoin ETF isn't far away. And then following that, Australia have approved a spot Bitcoin ETF. So this is a physically backed, or the Australian watchdog has green-lighted spot ETFs to trade. I don't think anyone has actually sort of issued one just yet, but I'm sure they'll come very, very shortly if they've already been green-lit. I expect companies sort of had products ready to go pretty much. And this is in Bitcoin and Ethereum, so physically backed Ethereum ETF potentially on the way. So yeah, pretty good news all in all this week. Just looking at the portfolio then. So Bitcoin, as I say, sort of been a bit up and down. Ended up 2.8% up. Not too bad. Ethereum doing a bit better, 7.8%. A little bit up and down in the last couple of days. Cardano still not doing a huge amount, sort of similar to Bitcoin, 2.6% up, but expecting good things on this. I actually tried to buy some 3x leveraged Cardano token on FTX. I set up an FTX account, and just sort of because not a lot's been happening with Cardano, the sort of leveraged tokens haven't really been doing a lot, so they're quite low. I quite like the look of those because the sort of leverage is contained within the token, so you can't lose more than your initial investment. And I got told, sort of, because I'm not a professional client, I'm not allowed to trade them. So that was quite annoying. Sort of you can say you're well aware of the risks. They can go sort of practically to zero very quickly. But yes, you have to have a lot of money to make a lot of money, apparently, as in millions, I presume. So yeah, that was quite annoying. Omisa Go OMG network doing a decent amount here, 30%. This seems to be an airdrop that is on the way. I think next week. So interesting. We'll see what comes of that. But yeah, I should get that airdrop hopefully. Litecoin 6% up, not too bad. XRP 6% nearly. A lot of the sort of smaller coins either sort of in the single digit percentages. 1.8% on Tron. Basic attention token sort of has come down, but that was doing well sort of over the last month, so it's just settled down. But yeah, 9% down on the week. New Cypher still hasn't barely moved, which is irritating. Power Ledger nearly 6%. It's up with the rest. EOS down slightly. Internet Computer 12.9%, not too bad. I have stopped investing in this for now, but yeah, we'll see. Dash pretty flat for the week. Band 5% up with Bitcoin. Anchor 18% down on the week, but again, this had quite a move recently, so that's 42% up on the month. Not bad. Quantstamp 1.6%, not too bad. Cocos, yeah, 13% down on the week, but not doing too bad. Sort of, as you can see, it's trickling up and has these little spikes and then settles down. So yeah, we'll see where that goes. And then yeah, so I signed up to the FTX account and yeah, ended up buying Audius. I was looking at this sort of previously, not being able to buy the Cardano token I wanted. I went with Audius. Kind of annoying. It took sort of 3 or 4 days to set up the account and get deposited and everything. And so I was looking at this when it was sort of 160 and ended up buying it sort of just over £2. So I put £500 into it and it's sitting at just under 470. So kind of irritating. Not sure whether this will be a long-term hold, but we'll see how it goes. And of course, Coco says 100% loss. There we go, refresh that. So yeah, nice week overall, really. Still waiting for the sort of the crazy moves that normally sort of come in the last throes of the cycle. Don't think we're quite there yet. So carry on waiting. So leave your thoughts in comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.